Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz S580. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing no paint chips or scratches. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look good. I do not see no dents or scratches on here at all. Take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks fine. No scratches, no dents on the quarter panel. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the back of the car. The trunk looks really good. I do not see any scratches on it at all. And the back bumper is spotless. I'm not seeing any scratches at all on this car. The driver's side is perfect. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks excellent. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door look good here. I'm not seeing no scratches or dents on them at all. And now we're going to take a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender is in good condition. No scratches, no dents here. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Excellent. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing anywhere on this door panel at all. Let's take a look now at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing anywhere on this door panel at all. Everything is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the back seat. Good. So the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now we're going to take a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car does have navigation and backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that there's no wear and tear in here at all. Everything looks perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.